Hi everyone, I'm Teacher Kim. Today we're going to be working on the sound of this letter. Do you know the sound of this letter? It says S. Kind of like a little snake. It says S. Can you say that with me 3 times? We'll say it slowly. Ready? S. 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 Good job. 2 words that start with the S sound are sun and sock. Can you hear the S sound at the beginning of those words? It says sun and sock. Now, let's use our bodies to help us remember the S sound. We're going to make a snake like this, and we're just going to say S like that. And maybe your snake goes like this, maybe it goes over here like this. Show me your best snake. Are you ready? Go. Now, let's play our sound game. Get your pointer fingers ready. I want you to point to the word that has the S sound at the beginning. Cat, house, sun. Cat, house, sun. Which one has the S sound? Very good, it's sun. You did an excellent job today learning the S sounds. I'll see you next time for the next letter.